Ladies and gentlemen, I have a very fantastic information for you. You have been hearing about our softwares called backend software that we use in trading Forex and synthetic market. So we trade Forex with it. We trade derived synthetic market. All right, that's a broker. We trade um, we trade well trade. So I'm going to take you right now with the Forex segment of it. And so just follow me as I put you around. Don't waste time. How to take signal, but it's very easy. I call it mobile trading view. And now optimize mobile trading view. How does it work? Now, of course, you know what it takes if you have come into the platform and you already subscribed. Good news is this. Monthly subscription is $100, but you can make more than $500 in a month if you're following simple instruction, depending on how much is your capital to start trading with and all of that. So this is not a robot kind of a thing, or connect your or give it to you and then copy one person. No, that's it. This is purely you just following simple instruction. So I'm going to show you how we actually take trade using this robot. So follow me as I unveil to you how this is done. Okay. So please pay attention. It's very, very important. And I promise not to take you much of time. All right, let's go. I'm going to share my screen quickly now, and then you can see how Signal is taken. Now, so let's go. I'm going to take you through the signal. Now, this signal is given to you, automation is a kind of automation, okay? It's notify you. If you go to the top of my screen over here, look at the top of my screen over here, you will see some dots, which these are the notifications that come. Then the robot itself is this. The software itself. It's an AI software called backend software. Now, so I'm going to swap down, okay? I'm going to swap down from this edge. These are signals. I'm going to tap any of them, so I may not really have time to. So I'll tap any of them, but if it's on my phone that I'm checking and all of that. Unfortunately, this is synthetic deriv. I want to go for Forex first, if you can see Forex. But if you cannot see Forex, I'm sorry, I have to take the one I see. Okay? Now, this is a buy signal for volatility 50. Okay? So when I see Forex, I'm going to take the Forex first. So let's just go. So the first thing I would do, if it's for Forex, I'm coming here. If it's for Forex, I will have come here. Look at this Forex inbuilt chart. I will tap it to load it. Now, if it's synthetic trading on well trade, I will tap on this. If it's synthetic trading on, I call it for me, on deriv, I take it on this. So I'm tapping on this deriv, okay? Now, so which instrument? 50. So I'm going to tap on 50. Look at it. Here is 50. So what do I do? As I tap on 50 to select it, look at this point here. Look at this point here where you see load. I'm going to tap on load. I haven't tapped on load, very simple. Now, what do I want to check? It actually gave me price of where I should buy from. Perhaps maybe I was not checking, but I just want to move very fast to show you this. Now I've tapped this, I click on settings. Now this is loaded and I want to see. Now all of this button you're seeing here, all of this button where you have ML1, ML, WL, DL, WL1, WL2. ML is monthly key level. WL is weekly key level. DL is daily key level. And this other one will WL1, previous week level, and then the other week as it is. So I'm going to go straight. Now, so what do I want to do? Sometime I just want to confirm how the trade is strong enough, the signal. Now, it's saying this, the signal cannot be verified because the accuracy is less than 74%. So it says you could come back later and all of that. But let me just even check it. Why is it telling me that? So I'm going to go to my key level, daily key level. Perhaps just clicking, on, let's look at it. Just clicking on DL, okay? So as I click on DL, look at it has loaded the chart for me to see. Why is it telling me not to take the trade? Because the trade probably must have been called earlier than now, and that means the trade's already at a key level. It's already at a key level. That's why it's telling you, well, this trade will have been better. You take it since, but now it's already at a key level. So for you to take, probably maybe you wait for it to be broken. And that's why I may tell you to check back in the next 4 hours or 1 hour. So now let's go to the market and see even the instrument ourselves. So let's look at the instrument ourselves. Okay, so deriv synthetics. derive synthetics. So I'm going to derive synthetic, for instance. Let's go there. Let's look at it. That's volatility 50. Good. Volatility 50. Okay, so 50 is what I'm looking for, not you. Okay, so I'm looking for 50. You having 50 here. Here you have it. So look at it. This is 30 minutes. So let me just look at daily first. So this trade will have given since morning. That will have been massive. So if I go to 4 hours, look at the market. And now when he told us from, I think it was from this base. So it's already at a point, right? That should be, maybe it should be turning back. That's why he told us. So to check back later, okay? So it's telling us to check back later that the signal is not good enough for us now and all of that. But assuming it was good, then you will have taken the trade as it were. Now let's look. Are there any new signal that just come? Yes, enough. This one is what? Okay. Okay, now it's telling you that volatility 50 index rejection, this zone and all of that. So that is to say, maybe wait for another buy when it return back to 126. Okay, when it return back to 126, because it's telling you it's already a rejection, and that's what it's telling you. So rejection zone give you a lot of opportunity ahead of time. The same daily index 50. I think maybe most of the signal had come on Forex, and that's why we're not seeing Forex now. Which one is this again? Okay, not this. These are signals that are coming for you. Okay. Let's check this. Okay, the same thing. Oh, wow. Which one is this? This is, okay, 100. 100. But has he given the signal for us to buy? So let's look at it. 100. One is load settings. What does it say? The rejection? 718. I think I'm late to this anyway. Settings. DL. So that it was rejected at a pivot point, and look at it there. Right? So let's check weekly. Okay. So we should wait for it at, what price is it now? It's currently at 730. It's talking about we're still waiting for it at 718. Okay. So you want to wait for it at 718. Maybe that's the pivot point. Then you can buy from there. Right. So there's a need for a waiting time for you not to make blunder. Okay. So now let me go to the software itself internally. Now, if it's Forex, that thing you are doing here, so I'm just showing you how this signal. Now, listen, when the signals are given to you, so let me see. I think I saw signal about gold or Bitcoin. Let me just tap Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I load it. Okay. And I click on settings. Sometime I probably want to check the signal rates. Was there signal given? No, but the signal available inside, but it will triggers and send you the notification of those ones. Now, so let's look at it. Daily key level. So it's rocking down, okay? Daily key level, weekly key level, right? So there's a support at the level of 110,000 something region, right? That the market, see the market rejection from up. If you were in the market, I'm pretty sure that this software had given signal on this today. Perhaps, maybe you are not there to look at the market. So, but another thing is this. If I click on my Forest tool, and I'm going to go to, if I like, I check trending pairs, trend direction. So these are tools inside. Look at it. Trend direction for 4 hours. Look at it. GBP USD. 8 candles passed 32 hours ago. That was already over. Retracement mode. Please stay out, meaning that the market is retracing. Okay, let's look at it. This is already long. 280 hours ago. Good. Bullish direction. That was since, okay? Started from 3,367 or something. Okay. And it's the last phase of the trend, meaning market was already finishing. Okay. So let's look at it. 56 hours ago, 48 hours ago, 56 hours, 40 hours ago. Okay, so let me just check back other ones. So this software is very simple to use. You can maximize. You can use voice note to call. So AUD card, AUD JPY. So AUD JPY, AUD SND, strong bearish. AUD SND, strong bearish. I don't trade those things anyway. AUD SND, strong bearish. You see this. So let's go to the Forex. So UDSND, do I trade it? So, but because of this, let me just check it and add it up here. AUDSND. Now, depending on when this signal was given, strong bearish. So that was a bit long anyway. Because if we look at it, the bearish was over here. Okay. But if you check on 4-hour time frame, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high. So this low is already, so you probably could wait for, okay, this is AUDSND, yeah? So you probably could wait for the market over here. So you can see this can actually give me an advantage to head things ahead, probably forming inverse head and shoulder. But this is it, a high, a low, this is the last high, this is a low. And now if the market get rejected here, because here that's actually broken, right? So if you get rejected here, perhaps all this high, let's take it to this point. Rejected here, that's going to form a kind of inverse head and shoulder. And then you want to be selling this guy down. To what extent? So you probably could look at another point here. So let's look at it. So this is a low or a liquidity areas and all of that to sell. Now, so this bot is very this software is powerful. Give you ahead information. Which one is this? DXY. Okay, this is a rejection zone. So if I check, that means you will have been buying anything that holds USD. That means you will have been selling Euro USD. So if you look at it, you will have been selling Euro USD when the signal was given. Let's look at it. Euro USD, right? Where's Euro USD? Here we go. Euro USD, where are you? Euro USD. You will have been selling Euro USD. Look at it. Look at 1 hour. You have been selling Euro USD. High, low. Okay. High, low, high, low. You will have been selling Euro USD. Yes, that's what it means. You will have been selling Euro USD because the DXY is direct opposite, upside down. Okay, you will have been selling Euro USD. Then to be in money, right, as much as possible. So this is just to give us an high effect of the signal, right? USD JPY, of course, that one is the so USD JPY, so that you will have been buying to because USD strengthened and then JPY had to mellow, and that will have been some massive trade. Perhaps these are liquidity. The break at this point, you're looking at 148 again for the market if the strength of USD continue to weaken, and then GBP, of course, whatever happened to Euro, USD, you want to have similar thing or, to GBP USD. So these are kind of thing we have here on this software. It's amazing and massive software that it just give you, and then you tap it to it, then you use it, and all of that. So more video will be done on settings and other things you need to pay so much attention to using this particular software. So thank you very much. And now, other thing I'll take you around is that sometimes, so instead of charts or like always be on the chart and all of that, is it wrong to use chart to check your market? No, it's not wrong. But when you have something handy that's going to peeping and give you like an idea of when to get involved to the market, I think you're going to love it. That's the root. That's the real truth. You're going to love it because, okay, look at the markets. And so, of course, you need to have basic understanding of the price action and then, so that you can maximize market more than just like guessing. All right. So if you look at it, I entered to our signal group. We give a signal on this market today. And then it's as if it was not going to happen. Then after dialing, struggling, and all of that, of course, never hit our stop loss, right? And then there you go. You can see the market right now. So the market now has done massive. And then, of course, because of, we'll say once the first take profit is taken, you want to adjust your stop loss, okay? Now, but this one, the distance was not much because there's no swing. Maybe just the reduction you're going to have. Now, this one moves so massively and return back again to this point. And so this is how we trade, all right? Discipline. Now, it looks slow for us. See this one, just a little to hit our take profit. Uh, Inshallah, he was going to hit that profit, right? So, but a lot of people are making a lot of money because this was a yesterday signal. That's about, right? That's about from here to this point it got to, that's about 127 pips thereabout with less stress. Okay, so we trade. Okay, I saw Bitcoin crashing. Okay, good. Look at it. And then look at Euro USD that we said. Okay, was it Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD. Yeah, it's supposed to be a kind of crash in it. And this is good. After taking out this high and all of that, with Enroll, get rejected. Look at the massive run up. So imagine for anyone who have found a trade here. Okay, let's even play. This is a 30-minute. So this is a high, this is a low, this is a high. Okay, so here, this one was taken out. This change of character or market structure shift. And then we'll return back here. And there fair value gap over here. Yeah, so fine. Yeah, there are. Now, so some market may not respect all of these things sometimes because when it's excessively bearish or bullish. Okay, let's go here. So we have, it was mitigated. That was a very nice one. Now, because you saw that this fair value gap was mitigated, all right, you have taken entry, perhaps, although this is a key level, you're careful, but the market has been mitigated, and then you find a trade, all right, and perhaps you have short the market after the mitigation, or actually traded from inside it 50%. To be a conservative trader, if you're a swing trader, your stop loss is going to be above this point, and which is about, that's a very insignificant pips. That's 11 pips. It's not big. Okay. Now, so your 1:2 risk reward. Ooh, that's so massive. That's just here. Come on. That's so close. Okay. So now, so that's your 1:2 risk reward, which is even before this break of structure. All right. So now if you want to get to the break of structure, that's already 2.25 and all of that. Now, so the next point is all of this up to this point. And then this is another key level down here. So that means say this guy is going to travel down to this point. You have closed one position and allow the other position to run. How many? 1:2, 1:10, 1:11 risk reward. And that's going to be massive. And that will give you about how many pips? Let's look at it. This is about how many pips? Good. This is about 139 pips and all of that. Now, so this is a massive thing about this. But is it all the time you'll be on the chart? No. So that's what the software is going to do for you, and you will going to love it. So, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. This is Plan B Express. What we do is that we explore the global financial market, 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation, leveraging on different solutions. So thank you very much and you're welcome. So whoever that sent you the video, ask them on how to get on board on Beckett software. and then you maximize. But of course, you need to sign up on Capitalxtend and to get 1 month free trial access to the Beckonet software so that you can experiment it and how functional it is. And when you make money, you can now subscribe. Guess what? We'll still give you a discounted value when you do that. All right. So thank you very much. Do have a nice time. My name is Midas Feliciano. I'm the team leader of Plan B Express. If you have any questions, you can chat on this WhatsApp +234 90 470 44 998. I take the number again +234 90 470 44 998. Thank you very much until I come your way. My name is Midas Feliciano, the team leader of Plan B Express. Cheers. Please subscribe to this channel. Go to the links comment section there and pick the link to get started with us on Beckonet software, on Capitalxtend, and on different opportunity we have for you. Thank you, and I'm signing out.